Everybody must sit at home. 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 This is sit at home. 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 Today is 8/2023. Sit at home. Sit at home. Today is 8/2023. Sit at home. Today is 8/2023. I don't want to repeat myself next time. I don't want to repeat myself next time. Sit at home. Today is 8/2023. Today is 8/2023. We Owerri direct. We are live in Owerri.
Let's make it live in America. I'm going to America this night. I'm make it live in America. On no government. I'm going to America this night. Back to keep us off. We can keep us in the neighbor. Tomorrow is market day. That's when you have to fly here. They are shouting, America need to hear word, America need to hear word. That's what they are shouting. They now bring all the whole passenger down and burn the motor to ashes. I'm going to America today. Monday, I'm your PDS one, and when I was in. When you're like the back all the way. Onye nwere keke ebe gbolo onwe n'akwa mama ebe ọ na-ebe akwa ebegidere akwa ndị mmadụ nabatara ebe nsi adịghị mechin dị ka ịgbọrọ ka agha akwa apụnye ọna ya ọ na-ememe live na Amarako live na Amarako abụ ndị ọnụ gọọmenti akpọnyere ha Amarako echiwori Amarako ha so onye apụtakwala
Owerri town. Sit at home. Today is sit at home. Today is sit at home. This is the last chance. Today is sit at home. Everybody must obey today. Everybody must obey today. Everybody must obey today. Today sit at home. 2023. Today is 2023. Everybody sit at home. 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 We are live in Owerri town. We are live in Owerri town. We are live in Owerri town. Sit at home. Everybody must sit at home. Everybody must sit at home. This is the last warning. This is the last warning. Everybody must sit at home. Last warning. Last warning. Last warning. Last warning. Sit at home. 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 This is Owerri town. We are Owerri town, live and direct. We are Owerri town, live and direct. Sit at home. Sit at home. Everyone sit at home. This is the last warning.
Subscribe on YouTube at Film Woods TV.